Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Winston. This weekend, Kim and I went out to the Painted Hills in Central Oregon. We did a little bit of hiking and exploring and driving down the forest roads in the Prius. We found a beautiful little campsite, so come along with us. It'll be a really good time.
Yep.
It's like I'm living on a cloud, out here just floating around. I got a tendency to move too fast, even when I know I'm walking on glass. Someone better hold me back now. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. But I just gotta know now. You got it all right.
If you didn't know, the Painted Hills are one of the 7 wonders of Oregon. They're located in one of the 3 areas of the John Day National Monument in Central Oregon. The hills get their names from the beautiful soil stratification, indicating different types of climates that have existed in Oregon over the past 50 million years. I love the desert climate, and Central Oregon is no slouch when it comes to desert beauty. Lots of cool history in the area as well, and you can even dig for fossils in the nearby town, Fossil, Oregon. There is like nobody out here. We're about to do the, what was this one called? The Painted Leaf Cove or something like that? I don't know. It's like the one with the boardwalk that goes through the Painted Hills. So, it's going to be good. Let's do it. This is the short trail. It was just like a quick little loop around some of the Painted Hills, but if you look out here, it's a lot more, and I think the longer hike is somewhere over there, so might drive back over there and see if we can do the longer hike, and then after that we're gonna go see if we can snag a campsite. There's a couple spots that are sort of scattered around here that I've bookmarked on Gaia, so do a little exploring, see what we can find. Maybe Cooper will drink some water. What do you think about this?
It's really pretty. I'm glad we didn't come here on a really crowded day.
Yeah.
I think it's too
Even
tight.
today it feels crowded, and
Yeah.
there's only like 10 cars in the parking lot.
It's a little too tight.
pretty amazing. Got Kim taking some Minolta photos. You getting it figured out?
Sort of.
Old school photography. I just flip on a button and I'm good to go. That looks terrifying. That looks absolutely terrifying. All right, time to go find us a nice little camp. Successful little venture out to the Painted Hills. We're gonna go find us a camp, hopefully, crossing my fingers, there's supposed to be a really good one that I found that's not too far from here, so let's see if we can find it. Well, I think we found a campsite, but I can't tell if there's people here or not. I'm gonna go up here and check. Look at this though. Well, unfortunately this spot's already taken. Oh, that's so sad. This is so nice. The search continues. I think there might be some more down the road here, but this place is pretty well documented online, so I'm not surprised that there's already people out here. But nonetheless, there's probably going to be beautiful camping no matter where we go today. So let's find a spot. Yeah, there's already somebody there.
What were you doing down there?
I was seeing if we could get down that road, but it's super sketchy. It's like really loose rock and just don't want to try it. Try and come at it with an angle a bit and just come right out here. That, yeah. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead. You're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah. Oh yeah.
What's the other one?
We're not gonna be able to get in there. Good, 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 good. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, stop. Perfect. All right, we did it again. Good campsite. Oh yeah. Look at that view. And we're covered by the trees for get out of the sun a little bit. Though I kind of need the sun right now. It's pretty cold. I've been in a t-shirt all day. It's starting to get a little chilly. A little chilly. Look, we got a leveling rock right here. and just drive up on there.
Oh. Don't turn it towards me.
What?
I'm changing my shirt.
Oh.
Can I see this? What?
Am I good?
Back up. Stop.
Something done got killed up here.
I sure did. Long time ago.
Look at that.
Yeah. Almost a full spine here.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Maybe like a moose or an elk or something? I don't know.
I don't know. It might be too small to be a moose. I can't tell.
Wow.
And there were more bones up here. I was trying to...
Wow. Interesting.
Anybody on the tube know what kind of teeth these are?
On the tube. Don't roll away. Don't roll away. I know. It's nice that, I mean, this road sort of looks like it would be pretty trafficked, but I mean, we've only seen one car. Oh my god. That thing's so much heavier with that griddle in there.
Oh, you put the griddle in there?
Yeah. It fits perfectly on the bottom. Was that you? Not a ton of headroom under here, but once we get the tent pole in, it'll be nice for my tall self. Oh my gosh, this campsite is perfect. The only thing that sucks is we're right next to the road, but we haven't seen anybody, so.
There's not that many cars,
Yeah.
so we're fine. We'll live, I think.
Campsite picking, rating?
2
Out of 3.
1.
Oh, 2 out of 1, let's go. I feel like a lot of people are like, I don't know how to find campsites. Just get on Google Maps and look at Google Maps for hours like I do.
And use a rating scale of 2, because that doesn't give you much flexibility. Like, either it's good or it's not.
It is absolutely perfect out here right now. Got a nice little sunset glow. A little bit of clouds up in the sky. The thing about Oregon is, in the winter, where we live in Portland, it, you know, you can't really camp at all because it's just, you can, but it's sort of miserable, right? But if you drive a couple hours out of the way, you find some stuff like this. Given it's supposed to be nice pretty much throughout Oregon this whole weekend, but it's just a little bit better to be out here. When we left this morning, pretty much all we had were some bagels. We've had like a cookie, I think, since then. And it's 5:04. So we have a big dinner planned tonight, but we're just absolutely starving, so we're gonna have some sandwiches really quickly. And I bought a little Lodge griddle, stovetop griddle thing, and it fits absolutely perfectly on the Coleman stove. So I'm gonna grill up some sandwiches real quick. Earl, you know Earl on the cast iron. You put the Earl on the cast iron. You kind of wipe it away. Gives you a nice cooking surface.
Is that right?
Yeah. Earl, Earl once told me. He said, Winston? I don't know where I'm going with that.
A book light that I put on top of the...
Yeah, I stuck it in your backpack. So much better.
I'm so handy.
You're the handiest. And the car's an extra table. And now we eat lunch at 5:20 p.m. when it's absolutely dark. Missed it. There we go. We're going to be using our little Snow Peak torch deal here tonight. I never really get to use it. This was something Kim got me, I don't know, like a year and a half, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet. A little torch. So let's get the fire lit. When you're feeling lazy and you don't feel like doing a lot of fire prep, this thing is awesome. It's like one of the... I'm probably going to make like a unnecessary camping purchases that are very, very fun. And now we got a nice little fire. Kick back, have some drinks, and enjoy it.
My poker.
Cooper's like, oh, you have wood?
You have a bigger stick?
I will take that one. I'll have that one.
Fucking poker, dude.
Ooh. Some little juniper wood, eh? It's about 7 o'clock and it's pitch black out here. And we got some clouds over the top of us, so we're not getting any star show tonight. But
well, for now.
For now, yeah. Hopefully, maybe the clouds will clear up in a bit. We'll see. But we're gonna hang out by the fire, and then probably gonna cook dinner in about an hour. So I think that is an owl. Got some little owls and some coyotes making some noises around us. It's really nice. It's so quiet out here. It's peaceful. And then Kim's laying over here in this little lounge chair thing we got. They're much closer now. It's okay, buddy. What? All right. We're gonna have some sausages, boy. Sausages. Well, I think those sandwiches just fill this up real good. So. And we're lazy. Because we're enjoying hanging out by the fire, and we don't want to do like a full cooking thing. You know what I'm saying? So let's get some sausages cooking.
Be chilly. If you come hang by the fire, you'll be warmer. Having a good time over there?
We had a very boring dinner, and we're just hanging out by the fire. So we'll probably see you in the morning, because you know that's what I'm supposed to say. We'll see you in the morning, and then you're gonna see me in literally 2 seconds. But it's going to be like, you know, probably 8 to 10 hours from me. Unless you want to sit, I could just put the screen black for 8 to 10 hours if you'd like. That'd be pretty exciting, I think. Wouldn't you say?
I don't know what you said, but sure,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Sweet.
Really riveting.
All right. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night. Good morning, Cope. Good morning. My glosses have
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh.
It's a beautiful view. What a way to wake up. And this morning at sunrise, I was able to see all the orange colors. It's really nice.
Got pretty cloudy last night, but we woke up to some nice sun. Still a little cloudy, but not too bad. And we've got this wonderful view. This lens really doesn't do it justice, but it is a full-on, just like beautiful view of this whole valley right here. Beautiful, beautiful.
He's just been hanging out. Look at him. Do they make those?
I'm sure they do. It's a bad idea, though.
That's good in emergencies, though. You never know.
Yep.
Cheers. Top of the morning for you. I was right over there, so I was just like laying down. It was right in my line of sight. I just like wiped off the window, and it was like brilliantly pink and orange, and I was like, that's so beautiful.
That's probably the best part about sleeping in the car.
Yeah.
So you can. I sort of woke up for it and saw like some of the colors, but then I was like, meh.
Yeah, I mean, I was up for like 5 minutes, maybe, just watching it come up, and then I went back to sleep. That's the poker.
Cooper.
You're such a jerk. So I am currently at one of the many juniper berry trees, and I am harvesting some juniper berries. No idea what I'm going to do with them yet. Maybe make some skin cream, eat it, make gin. I have no idea.
And I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I wouldn't miss it for the world. first time we thought about it, and you feel the push inside. In the fall, there's a cool wind coming down, and we were waiting for the moment to arrive, waiting for the moment to arrive. We were waiting. I was waiting for the moment to arise, waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for you, and I wouldn't miss it for the world.
We're heading home. Thanks for coming along with us. Turned out to be a really nice winter trip. It was super, like, it was perfect weather, perfect scenery. It was all really, really nice.
It really was.
So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps get the video out to folks who want to see it. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.